today we got the Predator stripper shredder. This is 212cc stripper shredder, jar, waste, mulch, powerful wetting and spinning hammers, ships limbs up to 3 inches diameter, extra deep heavy duty leaf hopper, 20-to-1 waste reduction, includes a garden waste bag. You guys can see the chips there. Got the casters, pretty nice big casters. Got a bar. Got some hardware. Lots of little screws and rubber stops made for the. Then we got a spark plug, a wrench there, and a bar. And up here, that's what it looks like. You got the bag. You got another handle. See, it's really tight. It's really tight from this rubber part to this. That's the brake. This is the brake. I'm gonna have to move it back and forth till it's all the way in there. On this side, you put the pin. And then you put the pin. And then you just get some pliers and just both ways. Like so it doesn't fall off. And the same thing with the other side. You have to see, once you get it in there, it doesn't go in, so you kind of have to do that. It's almost all the way in. You put your washer in there, and then you put your pin. Then you got this bar here. It's gonna go on like that. You take one of these screws, put them in through here. You put one of these, and then you put one of these in there. And then for the upper part, you get one of these washers. You get one of these washers, a lock nut, and then the nut itself. I'm not gonna tie it up because obviously we gotta get those in there too. And then this goes right here, and your screws go in there, and your nut goes on the back. Your screws that go in here. Screws that go in there, and then your nuts. Put your screw in there, and then you put your nut on the back. Alright, you got the engine compartment, you got your basic filter, you got your gas tank. It says fill gas here, add fuel stabilizer, engine oil below. So it says operating with low oil causes permanent damage. It says full right there, it says engine oil before you start. Alright, so we got the engine oil. Alright, so this is where you're going to put the oil. So this is where you're going to put the oil. No oil, so we're gonna have to pour some oil in there. According to the instructions, you're gonna have to put 10 W30. All right, it's full. Takes about a half a quart. So we're gonna add some gas. You guys got start, then fuel on and off. So fuel's off there, fuel is on. You got start on this side and then run on that side. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on start, and then we're gonna switch this to on. This is the throttle. You gotta turn this on to on, and then engine starts. So, and then do the other part that I was telling you guys. That's why I wouldn't start. Turn it off. You want to put it this way so you can starve it. Alright, so that's basically how you turn it off with this. I would suggest if you guys are going to store this or not use this for a few weeks or months, I'll definitely shut the fuel off and let it starve to death. That's the best way to do it. That's just if you're going to be taking breaks or you don't want this noise for now, taking a call or something. You want to turn it off from there. But obviously, the fuel is the best way. It started at the first try. I didn't find, us guys, we don't read the manual, so I had to read the manual and found out there's a switch there. So it starts at first pull. It's a great thing. Let's take it to the back and see what it does. I do apologize for the sound. I forgot to turn out the microphones here. As you guys do see, I do have a trash can on the side. It catches most of the stuff, but a lot of the stuff just flies out. With the wind, you might want to set it up back a little bit more. Once the stuff gets too thick for it, or it's too big, like the branches all branched out, you can put it on the top ones if they're smaller branches. Stuff like this is no problem. It'll shred it into pieces, even a lot bigger than that. So like I said, about 2 to 2.5 inches, I would say is the maximum for this. Even 3, I would definitely might be maxing it out at 3, but that one's pretty thick there. So you guys just, it takes it no problem. Works really good. The only thing I don't like is the flap on the top. So you guys do see it stops the trash from going in there. I know it's a safety precaution. I'm probably going to end up taking that off. That's just me personally. But it's up to you if you want to take it off, at your own risk, obviously. Risking your own injury. But other than that, I really like it. It's really simple to operate. It's one pull start basically. And it works really good. I'm surprised. It does have a lot of power. I would say you could go up to 2 or 2.5 inches of a branch. I used it trimming a tree. I gotta say it works pretty good. The top ones work better for the smaller branches and the leaves and all that stuff. And you can always get some push sticks, just some regular sticks that you're going to be shredding, and push all the trash in there without putting your hands in there, your fingers in there close to the blades. So that's definitely something you want to worry about. Obviously, wear some safety glasses and some gloves if you can, because sometimes they do pull the branches away from your hand, and you might cut yourself when it's pulling the branches, because it's a lot of power. Really nice, really great tool. Yeah, this is what we have left for here. So really small. This one's a bigger piece, but mostly smaller stuff. It's gonna help me a lot with my yard. I really do like it. Definitely recommend it. It's on sale. Well, it was on sale for $500 at the parking lot sale. I got it because I haven't seen it at that price for the longest time ever. Definitely check it out. All these Predator engines are really solid. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.